In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll start right from a simple web search and move into the spot trading page for a specific pair, keeping everything clear and beginner-friendly. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Binance on Google. This ensures you reach the official site, even if you don't have the exact address handy. In the results, look for the official domain that ends with Binance.com. Avoid sponsored links that don't match the domain, and check for the secure padlock icon in your address bar once you click through. After you land on the Binance homepage, head to the main navigation at the top and find the trade option. This menu gathers the different ways to exchange assets on the platform. Hovering or clicking will reveal several choices. Our focus today is on spot, which is the standard way to buy or sell crypto for immediate delivery at current market prices. Spot is straightforward and does not involve leverage, so it's a good place to learn the basics. Select Spot to enter the trading interface. You'll see a layout with the market list, a price chart, and an order panel. It can look busy at first, but think of it as three simple areas: the market you're viewing, how its price has moved, and where you place an order. We're going to navigate to a specific market, USDT against USD. Find and open the USDT-USD pair. USDT, often called Tether, is a widely used stablecoin that aims to track the value of the US dollar. The USDT-USD market shows how many US dollars you'll exchange per unit of USDT. Clicking that pair loads the dedicated spot page, where the chart reflects this market and the order panel adapts accordingly. Now, locate the Buy USDT action. Clicking Buy USDT focuses the purchasing side of the order panel, so you can review how a buy order would be set up on this pair. Here, you'll typically see options like Market or Limit, a field for the amount you want, and an estimate of fees. Take a moment to observe how the total updates when you adjust amount or price settings. If you're just exploring, there's no need to confirm anything. This step simply shows you where the buy controls live and what information you'd review before proceeding. That's the full path. Search for Binance on Google, open the official site, go to Trade, choose Spot, switch to the USDT-USD pair, and bring up the Buy USDT panel. Practice navigating these screens until they feel familiar. Double-check the website's domain for safety, and always review fees and details before placing any order.